welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me in this video. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this wig that I'm wearing at the moment, and I'm going to give you all the details about how you can get your hands on the hair and how you can get your hands on the person who actually installed it for me as well, if you are London based, that is. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I am currently wearing hair from Lemoda hair, and they reached out to me to do a review on this hair. This is actually their Malaysian curly hair. I've got 3 bundles and a lace frontal which was constructed into a wig and installed on my head. I remember Lemoda hair from years ago, like when I first started doing YouTube. They probably one of the first hair companies that I did a review for, and I think their consistency in terms of the quality of their hair has remained the same. I'm still reviewing their hair up till now, so I've only got good things to say about it. This curl is actually kind of like a tight curl. It's not what I would usually wear, because I'd usually either go for like loose wave or like water wave, but I'm starting to fall in love with this style, especially the way like my hairstylist always installs it. Like I really like how it's done. It's so seamless and it just looks really good. So I'm wearing 3 bundles of 22" of their Malaysian curly hair and a lace frontal as well, which I believe was also 22". Kept it all the same. The quality of the hair is great. My hairstylist even said it herself. She was like, this hair is really good. This was even before like she had installed it for me. So coming from her, who's obviously a professional hairstylist, she knows what she's talking about. And we didn't have to do much to this to kind of activate the curls. Even when she had like made the wig and everything, the curls were still pretty much intact. We just used some water and that was it, and it's still really soft and it still feels really good. Doesn't smell weird, so that's something good to know. I'm going to give you the details about the person who installed it for me. Her name is V and she's based in London. Her Instagram goes by the handle V's Real Hair, and she's installed a few wigs for me in the past, and she's just somebody that I like trust so much because she just knows what she's doing, and her technique is easy and it's simple, and she doesn't use like 1,000,001 glues, adhesives, gels or whatever to like lay down the lace. She's actually dancing. What are you doing? Easy, and it makes me feel like I can do it as well. I'll show you guys a little clip of how she did it just briefly in this video, so you guys can check that out. So during this installation, she actually did the cap method, which I have never done before, and I was kind of skeptical because I was like, I don't know how to do it, so I don't want it to like, I don't want her to do it really well, and then when I do, I'm like, oh, it doesn't look the same. Well, I always do that anyway, but like I think this method, as you guys can see, it just literally looks like my scalp. And I think it's so amazing. It helps for the wig to look a lot more realistic, and I think I'm going to be trying this cap method. Don't forget to hit her up if you guys are interested in having your wigs done. She is so talented, and you can check out her Instagram and she can show you on her page all the different styles that she's able to do, and she colors hair as well, so that is a bonus. Her handle is at V's Real Hair. I'm going to put it in the description box, as well as the link to her website where you can book her for your appointments and stuff. Again, she is London based, and that is all I have for you guys. Please don't forget to check out the description box for all the details you need, the lengths of the hair type, the links to Lemoda's website, as well as their Instagram, my hairstylist Instagram V's Real Hair, and her website also, and her socials, and details of how you can get in touch with her. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and check out my Instagram too. I'm all over social media, Snapchat, everything, so don't forget to add me on those platforms, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.
Sing